Amigo Toyota, not just a better deal, a better dealership. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory, and comes equipped with stability control, privacy glass, air conditioning, traction control, cruise control, power windows, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, air filtration, and has less than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Our prices are always competitive, and we offer aggressive financing offers and incentives that are designed to get you behind the wheel of your new or pre-owned vehicle. So come see us at Amigo Toyota in Gallup.